Welcome to the classroom project. This is the AutoCAD tutorial for the beginners. Today we are going to learn about some help of the drawing. You will need it for some writings and dimensions and other stuffs. Let us start. Today we are going to learn about the erase. You can see it is beside the trim button, and you already know that we can erase it by using the delete button. Now if we draw a circle, you can erase it using the erase button with your keyboard. You can see erase, select object and select it and press enter. And you can also do it by select the circle and use the delete button on your keyboard. In this way you can delete it. If we draw a rectangle, you can see it is together 4 lines. If we need to break it up, then we use the explode button. This is just beneath the erase button. You can use the command explode. Press enter, select object, press enter. You can see now it is 4 different lines together. So sometimes you need to explode it, or sometimes you have to join it. If you need it in your drawing, you can do it. In each of the way you learn which way you want to use. It's completely in your wish. So now we can discuss about the offset button. The offset is right beneath the explode button. Basically, offset means that sometimes you need to draw something and you need to copy it, same like some distance away. Such as if we draw a line like 0, 10, 5, here it is. So we need to draw a line just away from it, like 5 units or 10 units away from this point. So we need to do the offset command, press enter, and how much distance you need, such as we need 25. Press enter, select object, it is over there. If we pan, then you can see it. If we need the distance a little bit closer, like 10 or 15, we can also do it like 10. Let us click it here. You see it is 10. Also you can do it here. In this way you can draw the line exactly where you want and how much far you want. It will help you draw it quickly. In circle it is little bit different. Like if we select 5 circle radius, and if we select 5 also the radius, the center. Now if we select the offset button, if we select 15, you see it will be get larger because the radius will be more. More 15. You can change it like 10, then it will be inside. So this is the offset button too. If we draw a line from the origin like 25, and go upwards 25, let us consider 20. Now we can check the dimension, write it down, write the dimension to show the viewers how much the distance is. So you need to go there, the distance button, check the linear, select it, the end point, and the distance is there, 20 units. If you want to find it out how much the linear distance between these two buttons, you can also do it 32. Such as now I want to check the distance between this one and this one. Go to the align button and then linear button, select the 2 points, it will be 25. Actually it should be 25, but it is more than 25, so my mouse click is not perfect, so you need to adjust it, like check the point here in very perfect position. So see here, it is also no problem. Now it is 25. It will measure the perfect dimension for you. And now if you want to make it a little larger, the dimension number, select all three, go to the properties, you can see the arrow size, make it 1, and the text, the height, make it 2. The text size is a little bit more, if it will be better. We need to select all these three, so the text will be appeared. Let us use the arrow size a little bit bigger. Now it looks good. You can see the arrow, you can see the number, it's very perfect, and in this way you can draw the dimension. In the circle, if we select 50, the center point, it's too large. If in the circle point, if we use the 10, the center point, if we use the radius 5, and if we go for the dimension, select the radius button, click it, so it will be there. If you select the diameter also, it will show the diameter. In the same way, go to the properties, increase the mark, arrow size 2, and text height 2. So you can see the radius is 5 and the diameter is double of the radius, 10, and whenever the radius is showing, the R button will come, and the diameter is also, the phi button will come, the diameter, to show the diameter. This way you can do the dimension. If you want to do the angular one, like 10 tab 0, and if we do the 10 tab 45, there is angle between these two lines. So now we are going to do for the angular. Select the two lines, it is there, and if you want to check the angular again in these two lines, and you can check the angle between any of the point. So it is already 360 degree. Now I am going to increase the size of the arrow and the text height to, you can see that the number is very highlighted. This is 45 degree as we draw, and this is 135 degree with the 180 degree, and this is the 45 also, this is 135 also. In this way you can show the how much angular degree between these two lines, and the viewer can understand very easily. You can write down anything on your AutoCAD page, like there is a drop down menu, you can use multiple lines anywhere, how much the height will be. Now you just write it down like in this way you can write it down. You can make it how much you want to write. In this way you can write down anything on your AutoCAD drawing, to mark something, to specify something on the drawing, you can write. But the dictionary, sometimes it will not work on the writings. Also you can write it down like single line. In the single line also you can write, but whenever you finish writing it will be like this, so you can rotate it. and also you can move it like here. You can press the button when it comes red, you can move it anywhere you want. Also this one. However, in this way you can write it down. There is some other things like we know paste, cut. The command is very common. In this AutoCAD you can also paste and cut whatever you want. Such as we have circle and rectangle. We want to cut it and place it inside the circle. So you have to write it down, cut. Select the button, it's cut, and you need to paste it. Such as here, it's there. So the paste button is here, the cut button is here. This is all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or like. Please press the button subscribe, and if you have any thoughts, if you need any help with certain things, you can write it in the comment box. Whatever you want, I will try to follow. Thank you, and you are most welcome to the next part of the AutoCAD tutorial. Thank you.